BackRoadBerries has their strawberries in the ground and growing. One of our favorite spots to go pick berries. And also they have a strawberry patch across the street. And you can see Dennis working the field there. Also, we're closed for the season, but see you in December for strawberries. And you can see these strawberries are doing really well. Look at that. This is on the normal side of the regular side of the street. And the strawberries are all planted here, but there's a cover crop down the back, that yellow section you can see down there, the yellow tops. That's a cover crop. And you can see the symmetry. It's just absolutely amazing to look at this. In a moment, we'll go to the other side of the street too and take a look at that patch, the strawberry patch over there. But as you can see, there's great symmetry here. I mean, it just looks like an artist rendition of something. It's absolutely beautiful. You can get a little look here as I pan back from the drone. You can see, I'm sure from higher up in the sky, it must look like, I don't know what it looks like. It sure doesn't look like strawberries growing. I don't know. I don't think, anyway. The further back I get, you can't even see the strawberries. But anyway, this is pretty exciting, and it's the season for berries coming up soon. And I'm more excited about that. And you can see the cover crop on the left, the blueberries on the right, and then the blackberries on the right-hand side also. And they look really good too. So things are growing, things are happening, and now let's take a look on the other side of the street and take a look at the other strawberry patch that's on the other side of the street. You won't believe this, but let's swing over and look. There it is, right over there. You can almost see it just to the right of the road there. And this is the new strawberry patch, and this is growing too. It's all laid out, it's all going. The plants are in the ground. There's about, I don't know, 50,000 plants, 54,000, crazy number. And there's a lot of work. This is not, you just don't, hang out and watch them grow. But anyway, BackRoadBerries, our favorite spot, and about 6 weeks.